If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a stunning product picture is worth 1,000 viewers and buyers. So you better try your best to make your product photography one of a kind with the help of this superb photo editing tool called Apowersoft Background Eraser. Explore how to create an awesome product photos for e-commerce purposes with this app. Get the app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app, choose the Remove Product Background to upload the product image from your phone library. The app will automatically remove the background from photo, giving you a precise result. Tap the background, and choose the best background for your product. You can choose among the preset background templates and solid background colors, or upload your own background design from your phone library. Then, you can adjust the brightness and saturation and finally crop the photo using the e-commerce aspect ratios. Once done, hit the Save button to download your work. And that is how you create an eye-catching photography for your products using Apowersoft Background Eraser. Thank you for watching.